Hello GeoTipster. In this quick tutorial we are today with the WebMap, where the geometries are complex. That is why pages are loading so slow. To understand the speed of loading in Chrome, there is a good tool that can be activated with write and then inspect item. At this point, some tabs appear into what is properly called network. The network now is empty, but if you reload the page with the F5 tab, you will see graphics that indicate the load time associated to each of the resources that appear in the page. This resource that I am pointing with the mouse takes about 1 second to fully load. This resource is a file. We can now go and see how it is structured. The file in question is called xppj area reserve.geojson. To retrieve this file, we open the source page right button to look for this file. Otherwise, we can search right in the code by pressing Ctrl+F and writing shp in the blank. After you locate this file, we can open it as a JavaScript file. Wait a second, now I'm trying to find it. The file is in the data directory, and through this path that we have found in the code, we can insert it into the browser address bar. Now we can easily replace the address of the map you're viewing. This screen we see is the structure of file that contains the geometries we are going to simplify. And to do that, you can copy the entire page and put it in a text file. Or go to FileZilla and look for the same path, because in the end, it comes to a file on your server. When you find the file in FileZilla, download it to a temporary folder. Now we can open the website mapshaper.org, which is an online tool made for simplified geometries. In this screen, we can load the file geojson from our temporary folder, the same that is loaded in our WebMap, that file whose weight is 1 megabyte. Now we can see on the screen appearing file geometries. Let's proceed by pressing the button Simplify. Now we can activate some options like Shape Prevent Removal and Use Planar Geometry, and then press the button Apply. By moving the slider bar at the top, geometries are simplified, reducing the number of vertices, and that is the point we have to find a fair compromise. So we increase the simplification until we alter the original form. In my case, this percentage should be fine, as you see on the screen. Now we put the flag on option Repair before proceeding with the export, where we choose the .geojson file format. I choose the same name of the original file in order to comfortably replace the file on the server without touching the code WebMap. Okay, GeoTipster. We went from a 1 megabyte file to a 0.2 megabyte, and now we can upload the same folder, replacing the file on the server. Let's go back now to the web page of the map. With the F5 key, let's update the page and see the loading speed. Before it took 1 second, and now, let's see. Let's go look for the file that we have updated. Now it takes, okay, I still don't know. Anyway, not finding the resource easily, we can use the filter available in this window and write geojson. As we find the resource, we see that the time spent now was 127 milliseconds. Have you seen how simply we have optimized our web map? To recap, 1. We have identified with the network console file that slowed loading. 2. We download it with FileZilla on our PC. 3. With Mapshaper tool, we simplified it. 4. We uploaded in the same position the simplified file. 5. Now our map loads faster, without loss of geometry's graphic quality. This tutorial was really fast and direct. Wait for you to all the next rendezvous. Hello, GStipster. See you.